Welcome back guys. In this video I will tell you about the past year closing rank analysis of IIST. So let's begin. As you all can see a table, this table includes the percentage closing marks for the IIST admission 2020. So you can see the branch wise and the category wise closing rank here. The second table is the closing rank for IIST rank list. IIST rank list is for the students who registered for the IIST, and IIST arranges in the order of their rank. The JEE Advanced 2020 was of 396 marks, and the closing marks for the general category was 112, so which is around 11,600 rank. For EWS category, it was around 92 marks. For OBC, it was around 84 marks. For SC, it was 39 marks, and for ST, it was around 52 marks. So after the admission process ended, there were 9 seats vacant, 1 in the Aero, 5 in the EC, and 3 in the dual degree. So let's see the similar data for the 2019. This is the percentage marks table. This is IIST rank list table. So the 2019 paper was of 372 marks. The closing marks for general category was 127, which holds for 11,201 rank. For the EWS, it was around 112 marks. Closing rank was 16,231 rank. For OBC, it was 10 marks. Closing rank 19,601 rank. For SC, it was 58 marks, and for ST, it was 41 marks. So first thing, these all ranks are CRL rank. Let's see similar data for 2018. This is percentage closing marks table. This is IIST rank list table. And this is the information of our importance. So the 2018 paper was of 360 marks. So the closing marks for general category was 119. It holds for 13,001 rank. For OBC, it was of 94 marks, which was around 22,001 rank. For SC, it was 47 marks, and for ST, it was 37 marks. So let's see the data for the 2017. This is the percentage marks table. This is IIST rank list table. So the 2017 paper was around 366 marks. The general closing rank was around 8,001 rank, and the marks were 191. For OBC, it was 154 marks, and the rank was 18,001 rank. For SC, it was 99 marks, and for ST, it was 74 marks. So I will put the link of this PDF in the description so you can refer it in future. So the conclusion is that the closing marks are not a good measurement for the cutoff, as the total marks of advanced paper is varying every year. Also the difficulty is varying, so we can't judge it here. Better thing is to judge with the closing rank. We can see that in the last 2 years the closing rank was around 11.5k, so you can try to get rank under 10k, so it will be a safe rank. Also the closing rank depends on the number of students applying. With the coming years it will increase definitely, so I would suggest you all to try for a better rank. Thank you.